kopo. Yo tunamuza kopo. Agamba ati.
Of Uganda, from all the corners of this country, the leaders of NRM are here today in Kalulu, the
National Executive Committee, that the commercialization of our elections is us playing with fire. And I recall this, Your Excellency, because you do understand that we have now introduced into our party the sole profile of elections which have been marred by violence because money has been injected to the entire elections, right from the grassroots up to the top. Your Excellency, I know people who have spent not less than 10 billion shillings. SEC is a think tank, the political compass, and it's almost voluntary. There is no money in SEC. When people spend heinous amounts of money in the elections and mar the elections of our mighty revolutionary party, we have a problem. Your Excellency, sir, as a patriot, as a great Pan-Africanist, I'm the chairman of the Pan-African movement. I have worked for this party even at one time when my mother was in an ICU in International Hospital in Amuongo. I went for the campaign when she wanted to see me before she breathed her last oxygen in this planet, because she wanted to talk to me. I was there for the party and let my mother slide to heaven where she is in better place because I was serving my party. Against this background, Your Excellency, I stand in front of all the delegates and you with a clear conscience. I stand, and I repeat, I stand in front of the delegates and you with a clear conscience. And I want to state very clearly, for the good of the party, the National Resistance Movement, for the good of the struggle, you have brought peace and stability to this country, from north to the south, east to the west. I want to tell you, and all the delegates, I do not want to cause a division. A party works by working together, and I want therefore to state with my head clear that I will step aside. I will step aside. To my supporters, those who have supported me, who have been behind me, who have stood strong, who have been together with me, who have weathered the storm to galvanize the votes for the National Resistance Movement and the President of the Republic of Uganda. I call for calm. I want us to work together. In this regard, I want to invite my brother Calvin Echodu to come near me here. And I want to assure him I will hold his hand for the good of the party, the National Resistance Movement. I will hold the hand of my brother Calvin Echodu, and I will make sure I will guide him. I want us to build one party. I want us to make NRM a strong party. I want us to support President Museveni, and I want the National Resistance Movement to remain a strong party, because the NRM was ushered in by sweat and blood. We should not forget the gallant boys and the gallant soldiers the fighters, the revolutionary leaders who laid their lives to bring peace and stability and to usher in the democracy we have now. It would be a mockery for us to negate, and for me, as a fighter of the national resistance movement, to legitimize an illegality. With the moment I legitimize an illegality, when the national resistance movement, which is national resistance movement, if I do that, it means I've legalized and legitimized an illegality. I want therefore to invite my brother here, Calvin Echodu, and to hold his hand in the interest of the national resistance movement. To the people of Uganda, I want to exercise mature democracy. I want to exercise the democracy and the ideals the national resistance movement and General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni fought for. I call upon all you, the delegates, be careful about holding the party together. If you allow money to illegitimize the right and the voice of the people, the country will head to a serious trouble. I want therefore to state without fear or favor that, brothers and comrades, I'll remain loyal, I'll remain subservient, I will serve the party, and I want to assure you, I stand down with a clear conscience as a mobilizer of the national resistance movement, and I will advise this young man on how to drive the party forward. May God Almighty, God of Abraham, God who is in heaven, protect you, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and I want to assure you that I walk out of this podium with a clear conscience. God be with you. Viva, viva NRM! Viva, viva NRM! NRM oye! NRM oye! NRM oye! Kaguta juu! Kaguta juu! Asante sana! Mara mbili! Mara tatu! God be with you.
Okay.
I especially want to thank God who has brought me up to this stage. And I also want to appreciate our chairman, His Excellency President Museveni, for guiding the party. I want to also thank Honorable Captain Mike Mukula for stepping down for me. I pledge, with the guidance of the chairman and the leaders of the party, to serve the party, our chairman, our country, and I will work under their guidance, and I believe I will continue to be a good cadre. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, all the cadres, all the delegates. God bless you, and thanks very much.
Hello. Stop. Now, Mukono.
Kakoza George William.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mawanda Charles.
with request.
The leaders of government.